Another law that we're going to talk about is the cosine law. The cosine law is used to solve problems in a triangle that are not right triangles. So once again, it's like the sine law, but now we're using the cosine stuff. So the cosine law in any triangle, such as A, B, C, looks as this. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cost of A, or B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2 times A times T, C times the cost of B, or C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2 times A times B times cos C. And once again, our triangle is not a right triangle, even though it may look like one, it's not. If this is angle A, opposite angle A is the length of small a. If this is B, then on the side opposite angle B is my small b, and if this is C, opposite angle C would be my small c. Problem. We have to find length QR in this triangle that may look like this. It's not a right triangle, so we have R here, we have P here, we have Q here. This is 17, this is 10, and this is 31. And they want us to find the length of QR, which is there. So that is what we have to find. So once again, my formula is A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cost A. Substitute my measurements in. A squared, which would be, in this case, we'll go P squared. Oh, I'm not going to substitute. I'm going to rewrite it with my triangle PQR. So P squared is equal to Q squared plus R squared minus 2 times 2 times Q times R times cos P. And reason it's cos P is because that's the only angle I have. So then substitute the numbers in. I do not have a little p, so it's P squared. My Q is 10 squared plus my R, which is 17 squared, minus 2 times 10 times 17 times cos P, which is 31. P squared is equal to 289, oh sorry, plus 100, I switched these around, minus 340 times cos 31. P squared is equal to 389 minus 291.43. P squared is equal to 97.56. And the square root of P is P, and the square root of 97.56 is 9.8. So that's the length of PQ of RQ. If I have a second problem, and this problem now deals with me finding the measurement. So I have problem number 2, the measurement of an angle, problem number 2. So here I have a triangle. It says I have triangle KMN, and it says KM is equal to 16 centimeters, KN is equal to 11 centimeters, and MN is equal to 6 centimeters. That's all they give me, and then they say find angle M. So first thing I have to do, I have to sketch my triangle. Sketch triangle. And all it is something that looks like this. Identify my parts. So I might go K M N, and it says KM is 16 centimeters, so KM is 16 here, KN is 11 centimeters, and MN is 6 centimeters. Now they want me to find angle M, so this is what I got to find. So that means I'm going to play with A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times cos A. So A squared, because I had to find this, then I'm going to substitute A in for 11, so it's going to be 11 squared minus 16 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 16 times 6. And we do not know what cos A is because that is going to be our M. So we can actually switch that to cos M now. 11 squared is 121 minus is equal to, that should be an equal, sorry, is equal to 256 plus 36 minus 192 times cos M. 121 is equal to 292 minus 192 cos M. Bring that over on this side, so now I get negative 292 minus plus 121 is equal to negative 192 cos M. Negative 292 plus 121 is negative 171 is equal to negative 192 cos M. Divide this by negative 192. What I do to one side, I must do to the other side. And here I get 0.890625. Once again, do not round off, is equal to cos M because these cancel out. Again, I'm changing a decimal into a degree, so I must use cos -1 to change a decimal into a degree. And when I use cos -1.890625, I find out that angle M is equal to 27 degrees.